I'm going to do is that I need to find the gradient of DC, right? I'm not sure if, let's say this is 1.2.1, right? So I'm just going to write down there the information that I have here. Let's check what is the point D and see it's 6 and minus 3. So the point of, okay, this is 1. Okay, this is 1.2.1. The coordinate of C. So what do we have on C? We have the coordinate of C as what? 6 and minus 3. So I'm going to write down the coordinates of C as 6. This is 6 is to negative 3. Therefore, the coordinate of D is given as 5 and 2. So I'm going to write down the coordinates of D as 5 and 2. Guys, remember that, I need you guys to remember that when I say CD, it's like I'm moving from, we're going to move from what? We are going to move from C to D. So I'm going to consider point C as my first point. So I'm going to call this thing, let's call it X1, Y1. So, because I'm saying that this will be my first point. So this one will be my X1, Y1, and this will be my X2, Y2. So now I have to find the gradient of what? We need to find the gradient of CD. So I'm going to use the formula for gradient. The gradient of CD is equals to Y2 minus Y1, and everything is divided by X2 minus X1. So this is equals to, the Y2 is 2 minus Y1. Guys, can you see that this value is negative? So this tells you that you need to put this thing inside the bracket. Why? Because the negative will multiply each other, and that will be positive. So now I have X2, which is 5, minus X1, which is 6. So I know that on top I'll have 2 plus 3 because the negative cancels each other. So now 2 plus 3 will give us what? 2 plus 3 over 5 minus 6 is negative 1. So therefore, I can conclude and say the gradient of CD is equal to what? It's equal to 5 over negative 1, which is the same as negative 5. So that is the gradient of CD. But let's go back to the question, guys. Ladies and gents, remember the question said the gradient of BC. So now, the gradient of BC, I'm going to say, therefore, the gradient of BC, it's equal to the gradient of CD. Why? Because these are collinear points. Right. Any question on this one? Do you guys have any question on 1.2.1? Are you all happy? Okay, thank you very much.